Don't want your Android phone updating on its own? This video shows the simple steps to disable automatic system updates in just a few minutes. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap About Phone. On the next screen, choose Software Information. Here you'll find the build number option. Tap build number 7 times in quick succession. After a few taps, your phone may display a countdown message, letting you know how many taps remain before developer options are enabled. If your device asks for your screen lock PIN, password, or pattern, enter it to continue. Once verified, you'll see a message confirming that developer mode has been enabled. Now go back to the main settings menu and scroll to the bottom, where you'll see developer options. Open it carefully as this section contains advanced settings intended primarily for developers and experienced users. There's no need to change anything else unless you know exactly what it does. Scroll through the list until you find automatic system updates. If the feature is enabled, simply tap the switch to turn it off. With this option disabled, your phone won't automatically install downloaded system updates after a reboot. Instead, you'll have the flexibility to install updates manually whenever it's most convenient for you. Remember that disabling automatic updates doesn't stop your device from checking for available software updates. You'll still receive notifications when a new update is released, allowing you to review the update details before deciding whether to install it. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other Android tips and tricks.